Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne, and today I'm so excited to share with you one of my very favorite recipes because it's something that you can do with your family, super simple. There's only 2 ingredients and it's very, very versatile. Slow cooked butter skillet toast. Okay, so first let's talk about our ingredients. And remember I said there's only 2. We have bread and we have butter. Pretty simple there. And then our tools are simple as well. We have our cast iron skillet or griddle in this case. You can either use a spatula or tongs to turn your toast. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to oil and preheat our griddle. So what do we need to do to get the skillet ready to cook our slow cooked butter skillet toast? Is we need to grease it. And this is a great opportunity for you to bring your kids into the process. Remember, we're bringing them in the kitchen with you. So we wanna grease this up, so do it well. Now, one of the things I want to address, I hear this all the time, cast iron's so difficult, it's so hard to take care of. That's because you're not doing it the right way. It's actually super simple to take care of, and we've got some other videos that are gonna teach you how to do that. Now that this is all greased up, let's go put it on our cooktop. Now our griddle is preheating at medium high at the moment, and now I'm going to butter our bread. This is also a great opportunity for you to bring the kids into the process as well. So the softer the butter, the better, and be generous with it. Butter that baby, and we're gonna do both sides of the bread. So good. Can't wait. Now, once your griddle is heated up, you're gonna wanna turn it down to low, because remember, this is all about slow cooked butter skillet toast, okay? Now, it is cooled off just a bit on low, and now we're going to just pop our toast right there. Ooh, listen to that baby sizzle. Oh yeah, and I can already smell the butter. Smells so good. So we're gonna let that toast for a little while. Now, again, this is a great opportunity to show your kids, to teach your kids about kitchen safety, right? So you can be taking care of the hot stuff and they can take care of the cold stuff like buttering the bread and prepping the griddle. Okay, they're ready now. They are the perfect golden brown, but what does that mean? Well, that depends on you and how you like things cooked. So you just keep your eye on it, and this is how I like it. I like nice and lightly toasted, all right? Let's talk a little bit about the versatility of slow-cooked butter skillet toast, because you can have it for breakfast with eggs and bacon. I'm gonna have mine for lunch today. I have a ripe avocado. I'm gonna put some avocado and top it with some Sauce Goddess sweet heat seasoning, love it. Or you could do what my friend in Mexico does and add a little sugar to the top and have a little sugar toast. Now comes my very favorite time, which is actually the eating part, and my mouth is literally watering right now. This slow-cooked butter skillet toast is so crunchy and versatile and easy to make. And I'll tell you, it tastes delicious too. And I really want to finish my lunch, but I need to say goodbye first. Remember, our mission is feed the people, nourish yourself, and to build cast iron strong families. I'll see you on the next episode of the Cast Iron Babe.